my channel, and today we're gonna have a house tour. So it's not my house, it's my sister's house, but we're doing a house tour anyways. So yeah, so this is the outside. Yep, so that's the outside of the house. There's 2 floors, but there's a basement too, so technically 3. So yeah, let's go inside. So when you come in, you see the living room. Okay, close the door first. So that's the living room. Dining room. Living room, that's her TV. And then the back, she's working on the back. Say hi! She's busy. She said hi. Okay. And then we're gonna go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen, a ref, our stove, everything in there, our trash, and then this is our pantry where the food are, and then there's a closet here for the coats when it's winter. And then there's a bathroom, guest bathroom, yeah. And then we're gonna go right downstairs. Scary, but yeah. It's pretty empty because we haven't had anything. We haven't bought anything for it. But this is our laundry. I think she's working on finishing it because it's not done. So yeah, that's our laundry. Let's go back upstairs. And now we're going upstairs. Yeah, the house is not done yet, so there's a lot of things around. Let's go to the bathroom first. So this is our upstairs bathroom. The sink and the tub. Yep. And then when you go in here, you actually go to her room, my sister's room. So that's her room. That's her closet, her shoes, her shelves. And then you actually see the pool from here. You see it? It's right there. Yeah. And then you see that down here. And there's a mirror. Hi. So yeah, that's her room. And there's also an exit door and the bathroom door. Yes. And then we have another closet. And then, wait. Here is my room. I'm not gonna go through it because that's another video. So, yes. And that's it for today's video. And I hope you guys like it. This is where we live now, but our parents live 2 minutes away, so that's an easy route, easy commute. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell button for more updates, and yeah, share this video. Yeah, bye.